Ready?
Yep.
What we're doing?
We're going to Bad Ischl.
And what's exciting about Bad Ischl?
Ashlyn's coming! Pretty stoked about that.
So we're gonna meet up with two of the friends that we also traveled in Scotland with, which will be nice. They'll be here for 10 days?
8 days.
End of our trip. We're gonna end our trip with them. So, last day, just the two of us, and then we're gonna add 2 more travel partners. We're gonna do a long kind of roundabout travel to Bad Ischl. Maybe stopping somewhere. We don't really know. We're playing it by ear. So let's go. Just a quick pit stop, just, well, you know. So we've hit some major traffic, but, you know, the view's nice. Welcome to Bad Ischl. We're not sure what we're doing yet. We gotta wait for the Airbnb, but she's stuck. Food time, for sure. Way past lunch into hangry territory. All right, so we've made it to our Airbnb and look at our view. Oh. First, this is 0 floor. So in Europe, the first floor is actually the second floor. Bathroom. Bedroom number 1. Ooh.
Balcony.
Roomy kitchen. Bedroom number 2. Living room. Excelente. The best part. Yes. Yeah, I think this is the best part. A huge, roomy balcony looking over Yep, that'll do. So we have this place for one day by ourselves, and then Ashlyn and Todd, we are meeting at the train station tomorrow at 7. So, great stuff, great stuff. We're gonna get settled, unpacked, enjoy this. Oh yes. All right, Airbnb's up there. Walk into the grocery store, gonna enjoy the town just a little bit. Then we're going to sit on our wonderful patio, watch the mountain,
Read a book.
read a book, just live.
Get some ice cream though, because I haven't gotten ice cream this entire time. That was my ice cream.
I know it seems like we've been lazy, but after already 2.5, 3 weeks, it's good. Gotta take some me time sometimes. Because as soon as our friends get here, it is go time since everything's new to them. All right, grocery store. Well, it turned into an amazing day to hang out and inside or outside, depending on your pleasure. My pasta is finished, so I'm gonna eat some pasta. Elizabeth made a little aperitif spritzel. Aperol spritz. And we're gonna finish our laundry and enjoy this lovely rainy day. Thanks for tuning in.